Hello and welcome to another episode of Graco Garage. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to connect plant air to your InvisiPac system. In today's episode, I'll be using a 10-inch crescent wrench, an 11/16-inch box end wrench, Teflon tape, and a vise to hold everything securely. It's important to note when connecting an air supply to your InvisiPac system that we recommend a minimum air supply line of 3/8 inch diameter. If the air supply line is longer than 25 feet, we do recommend increasing that to a 1/2 inch internal diameter. Also, the InvisiPac system operates best with clean, dry air. So please do not install any air oiler system in the air prior to the InvisiPac. For the layout of the air fittings, we have two options. We can install all the air fittings in a straight layout as laid out here, or we can use the 90-degree fitting to bring them out at a 90-degree angle towards the back of the unit, which I'll be demonstrating the installation of today. It is important to note that both the air filter and the ball valve are directional components. The directional arrows are indicated on the top of the air filter and on the side of the ball valve here. When installing those, ensure that they are installed in the correct orientation, or you could have air leaks or inefficient filtration. When assembling your air fittings, you do want to use a little bit of Teflon tape. So we don't want any Teflon hanging over the air path. It is important to keep that air path free of any contamination and debris. Next, we're going to install the 1/4 inch NPT to 3/8 inch NPT adapter in the InvisiPac's air inlet. Tighten that down with the crescent wrench. With our right angle air assembly, we can connect that compression fitting right onto that adapter. Snug it down. So now that we've got all of our air fittings assembled, now we can install our 3/8 inch push to connect air fitting into the push connect fitting and turn on the air to the system. All right, guys. If as you're installing the air system, you get that ball valve installed backwards, it'll present itself really quickly and it's really easy to tell if that's backwards. If you turn the air supply on to the InvisiPac and you close the ball valve, it'll continuously bleed air. That lets you know the ball valve is installed backwards. Double check the orientation on that. Flip it around, and that'll ensure that you're bleeding air off of the pump and not continuously bleeding your plant air. Good job today, guys. We've got the InvisiPac all connected to plant air. We'll see you next time on another episode of Graco Garage.